good, people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about why they manufacturers switch to a sealed transmission to make it easier for consumers, easier maintenance. You know, that's like one less maintenance that you have to worry about. Technically, it's one less maintenance you have to worry about right now, as in like in the future. Like, yeah, you have to worry about it, you know, if the car have X amount of miles, you know, for a sealed transmission. But we're gonna get into that a little further in the video. But this says to make it easier maintenance on the vehicle. You don't have to worry about your transmission. You know, back in the days, I know when I had a Dodge Neon and my Sonata, I had to pull the dipstick, look, and I'm like, alright, cool, I'm low. Now I gotta go to the auto store, get me some transmission fluid, pull in the car, and check it again. Alright, cool, now I'm good. Or, man, something's going on with my transmission. It's easier. You don't have to worry about water getting into the transmission or anything like that. So they made it a sealed transmission. Yes, you have to take it to your manufacturer or your local dealership so you can get a transmission flush. That's the maintenance that you have to worry about. But now it's in intervals, as in like 30 to 100,000 miles. It's not like every 10,000 miles like back in the days. You had to check your transmission fluid every 10,000 miles, 10 to 15,000 miles. Now it's every 30 to 100,000 miles. You check your owner's manual on your vehicle and it will let you know. How long do a sealed transmission last? It lasts longer than, it lasts as long as the car lasts. So if the car, if your car lasts about 100,000 miles, that's how long your sealed transmission lasts. Because especially new transmissions or new cars have the gearbox / transmission, so it's intertwined with the gearbox and transmission. So it lasts long as the car lasts. You know, back in the days, you had the transmission. How long do my transmission last? When you start hearing it slipping or you not maintaining that transmission as properly that you need to, you may get a slip or anything like that. Now transmissions last long as the car lasts. So as you service your sealed transmission, it's a sealed transmission, but yes, it still has fluid in your transmission. So you should service it in intervals, as in 30 to 100,000 miles. Take it to your local dealership, whatever vehicle that you got. Basically, if you got a Chevy, take it to a Chevy dealership. If you got a Hyundai, take it to the Hyundai dealership, and they will service your sealed transmission, change the fluid out, put new fluid back in there. How much does a transmission flush cost? $80 to $250. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.